Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm bringing you guys a review on Lotta Body's Milk and Honey line. Alright guys, so first of all, we are starting off on a old wash and go that I put 2 flat twists in front of. It is dry, it is nasty, it is matted, it needs to be cleansed. So we're gonna go ahead and start rinsing our hair underneath the water just to get it a little wet and lightly finger detangle it and get it ready for the shampoo process. So now that my hair is completely saturated with water, we are gonna go ahead and use the shampoo. It's the Restore Me Cream Shampoo. Says it removes product buildup, restores moisture, and makes hair soft and manageable. As soon as I put this product in my hand, I immediately noticed that it was very thick and creamy, had a great consistency, and smelled amazing. So as you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the product to my hair, and as soon as I put it in, it just created an amazing lather. It had a really good slip, and it definitely left my hair feeling moisturized and clean. And as you can see right now, I'm just working the product in my hair, really trying to make sure that my scalp is really clean, just to get all of that old product and everything out of it for today's brand new style. So now that we have completely worked the shampoo in our hair, we're going to go ahead and rinse that out. And I am using my Conair detangling brush. I love this brush, did a review on it. I will link that video. But I'm just going to go ahead and use that to detangle and rinse the shampoo out of my hair all at the same time. Alright, and now that the shampoo is completely rinsed out, we're going to go in with the Restore Me Cream Conditioner. It says it deeply moisturizes, makes hair soft and manageable. So the first thing I noticed about this product is that as soon as I put it in my hand, it was very, very thick. Really creamy, nice consistency, smelled amazing just like the shampoo did. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that product to my hair, working it in and detangling it while I do that. Once that section is completely detangled with product applied to it, I'm gonna go ahead and twist that section up just to keep the hair detangled and keep it out of the way while I deep condition. It says that the conditioner can be left in for 3 minutes and rinsed out, or used as a deep conditioner and left in for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna use it as a deep conditioner and leave it in for the 15 minutes. Alright guys, so our 15 minutes is up. I am just going to go ahead and start taking my twist down, and as you can see, my hair looks very moisturized and defined with the deep conditioner in it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start rinsing the deep conditioner out. Alright guys, so here's what my hair is looking like after I've rinsed out the deep conditioner. My hair is still moisturized. It's really clean. My hair is really soft. I am really enjoying using these products. So I went ahead and wrapped my hair up with my turban towel just to get rid of some of that excess water before I started my styling process. And as you can see, my hair is dried out a little bit, but it is still very soft, still detangled, still manageable. It's definitely going to be easy to work with. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and split my hair into 4 sections so I could go ahead and start my styling process. So since my hair did dry out a little bit, I'm just going to go ahead and take my spray bottle and spray my hair a little bit just to get it damp so that it'll be easier to work with the products. Alright, so now that my hair is dampened, I'm going to go ahead and use the Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner. It says it locks in moisture, continuous intense hydration, detangles, and adds shine. So I'm going to go ahead and pump some of that in my hand. And just like the other 2 products, it is thick and creamy. Didn't really have to use much of it. And it definitely made my hair feel very moisturized. So I'm just working that product into this section, making sure that it's worked in really nicely, making sure that my hair is very detangled before I apply my next product. Alright, so now that my leave-in is completely worked in, I'm going to go in with the Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. It says it has medium hold for soft curls, defined curls, and adds body and shine. So I'm just going to go ahead and pump a little bit of that product into my hand, and then I'm going to go ahead and work that into the section. As you can see, it immediately defined my hair, but it also didn't give it like that drying alcohol-y feel that most mousses do, and I really love that. So after applying the mousse, I go ahead and take my Denman brush and just, take that through my hair for a little bit of extra detangling, just to make sure my hair is good and detangled. So for today's style, I'm going to be doing a flat twist style. This is something I have never done before, but basically the way you do a flat twist is you take a small section of hair, you split that section into 2, and then when you twist down, you just take another small section and twist that into the twist that you've already started. I know that sounds confusing, but hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing and it makes a little more sense. Alright, so once you have flat twisted as far as you can go, then you're just going to be left with 2 pieces of hair, just like a normal twist, and you're just going to 2-strand twist it the rest of the way down. As you can see, I took my Denman brush and just detangled a little bit more. Just want to make sure I have a nice, smooth, and defined twist. This is just the process that I'm going to repeat to do my whole entire head. Alright, so now that I am done flat twisting my whole head, I'm going to go in with the Tame 24-hour edge control gel. And I'm just going to put that on my edges just to give them a kind of sleek and defined look. I might wear my hair in flat twist tomorrow before taking it out, so I just want it to be nice and ready to go in the morning. So this is what my hair is looking like, completely flat twisted with some of the edge control on my edges. This is the front, and here is what the back looks like. Not too bad to say this is my first time ever flat twisting my whole head, but I will come back and show you guys what it looks like dry and taken down. You guys, so here's what my hair is looking like on day 2, completely dried. It's still very soft, still feeling very moisturized, so we're just going to go ahead and get into this takedown process. Today I'm going to be using almond oil for my takedown process. I'm just going to go ahead and put some of that in my hands, rub them together, and just rub my hands through my hair, just trying to reduce some of the frizz when taking my hair down. Alright, so when taking down your flat twist, you definitely need to do this as a slow process, just to try to eliminate as much frizz as possible. And basically what I did was I twisted in the opposite direction, took down the piece of hair that I added to the twist, and just kept that motion going all the way up the twist. And now that that twist is completely taken down, I'm just going to do that same process with the rest of my hair. Alright, so now that my hair is completely taken down, I'm just gonna go ahead and go through my hair with my pick and give it a little fluff to try to give it that desired shape that I want, so it doesn't look so flat in some areas. Right, so now I'm just gonna go in with the Tame 24-hour edge control, and I'm just gonna apply that to my edges just to give it a nice sleek look for this style. After applying the edge control to my edges, I just go in with my soft bristled brush to sleek it down a little bit. Alright you guys, so these are my finished results. It's a little bit fluffier than I expected, but I think that's because I did the flat twist too big. But you live and you learn. This was my first time doing a flat twist out, and I still love the style. This is my hair fluffed out. It's cute or whatever. But you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and I will see y'all in the next video.